Yo, what is going on, everybody? And today I just want to talk about my views on gaming. I touched upon this about my last video, but I just want to go more in depth on like the games I used to play and what they're looking like today. So the first topic I'm going to start on is Call of Duty. So first of all, first Call of Duty I ever played was World at War, and I loved it. I loved World at War. It was just a great game for a time. It's still a great game today. Best zombies, in my opinion, World at War. I don't know if it's just the original or just whatnot. I loved World at War. And then we moved on to my next Call of Duty, what was actually Modern Warfare 2. And we all know how Modern Warfare 2 went. Just amazing, really, wasn't it? Like, Modern Warfare 2 was insane. It just really was. You know, Special Ops, fucking, I can't remember the one, Sniper Watch or whatever the fucking one that was. When you're on the top of the tower, sniping down. Oh, it was a great game. Absolutely great game. And then, what other games further? What was my next game after Modern Warfare 2? I believe it was Black Ops 1. And I never really played Black Ops 1 because at this time I was playing Minecraft. And obviously I was quite young when I started playing that game. So obviously, well, I was quite young when I played gaming in general. But obviously Minecraft over on Black Ops 1 for me. Although, you know, I still play Minecraft to this day. I still play Black Ops 1 to this day. But yeah, Black Ops 1. It was definitely a good Call of Duty. It was, you know, just it was a bit slower than what I expected it to be, but you know, it's still a great game. The guns were great. The only thing that put me off that game was the sniping. The sniping was horrendous, but you know, I've got a video on that on my channel. I believe if I think it's still there. I may have taken it down, but yeah, the sniping did not work on that game. It was absolutely terrible. And then the next game after Black Ops 1 for me was Modern Warfare 3. At the time when this game first came out, I have to admit I did not like it. I did not like Modern Warfare 3. But again, I didn't like games like Siege until I started playing them. And I played Modern Warfare 3 for a long, long time. And, yeah, fucking hell, that game blew my mind. I didn't even know how, you know. Like, I hated it at the start, like I just said. But, you know, it was a really good game. Really good game. Obviously, I know Frankie appreciated that game, you know, a lot. And, you know, I think that's what got me like I wouldn't say that's what got me into the game. It's just what got me back into it. Like not, you know, didn't get me started playing it more. It just got me back into the game, made it more enjoyable. So I used to solo queue the game quite a lot. But when I was with Frankie, you know, it was really fun. Any Call of Duty with Frankie was fucking hilarious. You know, we used to stay up till time. But you know, that's all in my last video. Go check that out. And then after Modern Warfare 3, it was Black Ops 2. And you know, Black Ops 2 was, you know, just it was perfect. No, it really was. I think there's only one thing wrong with that game, and that's how broken Flakjack it was. But everything else was fucking amazing. I never actually played the campaign on that game, what, you know, shocks me. I may actually have to go back and play the campaign on that game because I never actually played it. And I had like probably over 100 days played on that game. Just on the multiplayer alone, I had 63 days. What's fucking insane. But yeah, it was a really good game. Really good game. If anyone's watching this has not played Black Ops 2, I think I've actually just said Black Ops 3, didn't I? I think I may have just been saying Black Ops 3. If I did, I mean Black Ops 2. Um, but yeah, absolutely amazing game. Fucking brilliant, perfect, best Call of Duty in my opinion. So definitely go play that. And then Ghosts. I mean, it was alright. It wasn't as bad as people think it is. You know, it was alright. It wasn't great. It wasn't, you know, Black Ops 2 quality. But, yeah. And then, I don't really want to talk about Advanced Warfare, Black Ops 3. In my opinion, Black Ops 3, actually, I'll take that back. World War 2 was the worst Call of Duty. I don't even care what anyone says, it was just fucking terrible. Then Black Ops 3. Black Ops 3 was so fucking shit. But, you know, don't at me. Just didn't like it. Infinite Warfare didn't like. And then Black Ops 4. I mean, I feel like you need to give the game a try. Like, I understand the Call of Duty name's been pretty shit recently. But Black Ops 4 isn't too bad. Black Ops 4 is, it's, I'd say it's more like I don't know. It feels like Black Ops 2. Or I mean, I love Black Ops 2, and then you know, it's just all right. It's all right. Blackout is fucking terrible. I don't care what anyone says. It's the worst battle royale. But yeah, that's basically my Call of Duty experience. You know, there's some if and ups, but yeah, that was really it for Call of Duty. There's no other really game franchise, you know, that I've played for so long, except from Gears of War. Gears of War was a game I played quite a lot. I loved 1, I loved 2, I loved 3. I liked 4. 4 was possibly the worst one out of the 3, though. Judgment, actually. Judgment was fucking shit, but we need to talk about that. But, Gears of War 3 made, you know, I don't know, it brought a tear to my eye, that fucking game. But, you know, most people that was a fan of the Gears of War franchise, it teared up most people's eyes. But yeah, that's just really it for the games for me. Obviously, I've got my games like Minecraft. I could talk in about hours because yeah, I played that game for quite a while. I got like Rocket League, Siege, but there's no really game franchise behind them. Like Tom Clancy's, yeah, there was, but I never really got into the other Tom Clancy games. I was always, you know, Call of Duty. I like, you know, Call of Duty just took over most games for me, except for Minecraft. Minecraft is like a fucking brick in the wall. But you know, it's just it was just a big loop. Fucking Call of Duty was. You'd play it and you play it again, and then you know it's just you're just stuck in a trap. You know, it's only one click away, so you keep clicking it, and you just reach to a point where you're just like, it is too addictive. But you know that's really it with Call of Duty. It's just addictive. It could be the same like FIFA, but then you know, yeah, FIFA's fun, but it's too expensive for what the game actually is. It's literally the same game every year. Most people say it. Most people say about Call of Duty, but they obviously I can agree. Like Modern Warfare 2 and Modern Warfare 3 are very similar games, but Black Ops 1 and Black Ops 2 are not. Like, let's be real. I could see how World at War and Black Ops 1 would be a very similar style of game, but you know, fair play to Call of Duty. They've done what they need to do. I feel like Call of Duty have never peaked more than, you know, Black Ops 2, Modern Warfare 3 time. But you know, that's just my opinion. I'd like to hear, you know, what some of your, you know, favorite Call of Duties were on the list. So if you do want to do it, if you've even watched this far, just, you know, let me know in the comments. I mean, I'll probably get 1 or 2 on this video. Let's be real. But yeah, guys, cheers for watching. In a bit.